Hi, my name's Sarah, and for this assignment, I chose to talk about cows. I learned that there's two different breeds that people select and breed them for. One is for meat and one is for dairy. And the reason that they do it is for size, because the size can get like tampered with, and it can make them bigger or smaller, and the butchers and farmers and all of them, they can charge more, so that means more money for them. And the motivation I feel people have behind this is obviously for food and for like fair contests, like the farmers, some even as pets, of course, for farms. The human benefits, I would say food again, winning at the farm shows, and just having like a pet in general. Um, the benefits for the cows, I don't really think there's any besides being like a pet and I guess getting treated nice like any other animal. The negatives for both of them is of course the killing. I know there's like the people wear the luxury animal wear, so I guess the cow fur and cow skin, that's pretty negative too. The responsibilities we have, I feel farmers and people that breed them just shouldn't be cruel and abusive. I know that some die for like the breeding and like food, but they shouldn't get treated bad during like the whole process. Um, and should we do it? I feel like that's everyone else's opinion. There's going to be a lot of opinions. Mine, since like I do eat meat and drink dairy, um, I feel like I'm okay with it. I'm just definitely not okay with like the cruelty. And yeah, I think that's it for this. Thanks for listening, and I hope I covered it all. Bye.